Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Vinnie's Artisan Journey. In this special episode, I'm proud to present this concept of do-it-yourself homemade therapeutic frankincense lip balm. In this project, one may need 4 mini containers about 3 grams each, 7 grams sweet almond oil, 1 gram shea butter, 0.8 gram white beeswax, 0.2 gram yellow beeswax, 2 drops of vitamin E oil, and 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Now let us prepare all the ingredients and tools needed for this project. I'm using high precision digital scale here to weigh my ingredients. Begin with sanitizing all the tools that we are going to use. For my case, I'm sanitizing my glass beaker and the spatula. Prepare 4 travel-sized mini containers with a capacity of 3 to 5 grams each. Switch on the digital weighing scale. 7 grams of sweet almond oil. Thanks to its antioxidant property, sweet almond oil helps our lips appear radiant and healthy. It acts as an excellent base oil. One gram of shea butter. Shea butter is a fat extracted from the nut of the African shea tree. It has great moisturizing properties. 0.8 gram white beeswax. Beeswax creates a protective layer on our lips, which help the lips to stay hydrated. 0.2 gram of yellow beeswax. Both the white and yellow beeswax have the hardening agents, which is ideal for lip balm formulation. Apart from the color, they differ from each other in terms of filtration process and the state of refined. I use both for a better texture and consistency. Stir the mixture with a glass rod over a very low heat. This is how the mixture looks like in a close-up view. When the ingredients are about 95% being melted, turn off heat, because the remaining heat will continue to melt it at 100%. Two drops of vitamin E oil is a great antioxidant and anti-aging ingredient, and it also acts as a natural preservative for our formulation. Lastly, add 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense is the king of oils due to its versatility. For centuries, it has become ceremonial staple in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and even in spiritual communities. It is even stated in history that Cleopatra is said to have incorporated it into her beauty regime. It's definitely a star ingredient in this formulation due to its cellular turnover, brightening effect to its hyperpigmentation of our lips, anti-aging, reverse fine lines, promote plumper hydrated lips, making our lips super soft. Well, I have a small tips here for this hygienic method of using this lip balm. Use a clean spatula to take a small amount, just sufficient for your lips. Ensure your finger is clean before applying to your lips. Alternatively, you can use a clean lip brush to do that. Close tightly the lid container every time after usage. The best place to store this lip balm is a cool, dry place, and even better a refrigerator since it's a natural formulation. Who is going to say no to a super irresistible, kissable lips? The perfect blend of this heavenly smell plus its luxury feeling is just so fabulous. Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan journey. I hope you enjoy this tutorial of homemade therapeutic frankincense lip balm. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share too. Till then, goodbye.